Does trend line still works in 2026? The answer is yeah, it still works. It's just that you might probably be doing it wrong. Now, based on the way I was taught trend line now, you are going to identify the trend, and then once the market breaks above or below your trend line, you are now taking in that buy or sell trade. That's how I was taught, and that's how I've been using trend line before, until the market changes and now that strategy does not work anymore. But I discovered one way trend line still works, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. In this video, you'll be learning how to use the latest trend line that still work in 2026, so that you don't miss out and you can still make big amount of money from trading with the trend. This is one of the latest strategy you definitely don't want to miss out. In case you're just coming across this channel, my name is Isaac, and this channel we specialize on helping individuals like you how to become a better trader and make more money for yourself. So if you're coming across this channel, please hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and comment and say something nice, or drop a heart on the comment section so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people. So with that being said, let's go straight to my desktop and let me show you how to implement this latest strategy for trend line. So basically, the strategy is very simple. We want to be dealing with trade rejection, not trade breakout anymore. Before, we want to see the market break above our trend line or below our trend line before we can take in that buy or sell trade. But now we want to trade based on rejection with that same trend line. Now I'll explain to you guys in a minute. So regularly, you want to have rules to our strategies now. So number one rule to this trend line strategy now is we want to mark out the trend and trade with the trend. We don't want to trade against the trend. The trend is your friend. This one is not police. The trend is your friend, and it's really your friend. So we want to trade with the trend, not against the trend. Because if you do anything other than that, we are harming our account. Number two, we want to be dealing based on rejection and having a second confirmation. Now, price dropping or rising above to hit our trend line is one confirmation, and we need another second confirmation, which might be double top or double bottom or triple bottom or anyone like that. Any chart pattern is okay for that. So once you can see any of these two, it is a reason to take in that buy or sell trade. So now let me show you a clear example of what I mean by all of this noise. So basically, this is what I have to explain to you guys now. This is a plain chart now. Let me describe this for you in a diagram form before we go into the real chart now. We want to see, let me use a sell trend for example. We want to see market bringing lower lows like this and lower lows again, lower lows, and that is basically what you want to see. You want to see lower lows and higher highs, right? So in this strategy now, if you see something like this, you want to pick up your trend line and then take in and mark out your trend. Now the first rule now have happened. Now you have identified that this is a sell trend. Simple as a retail trader that we are, based on what they taught us. As a retail trader that we are, based on what they taught us, this is what we are going to do now. We will wait for something like this, market to go up, come down like this, then break above this side, right? Then we can see that we have our buy. Then we'll take in our buy from this side. And number two is now we have broken the rule already. We are trading against the market trend. We are trading against the market trend, and the market can switch up against us anytime. Even if the trade goes well, it is not a good trading mindset. It's not something you should be doing. So basically, what my strategy is saying, based on this trend line strategy, we want to see the market come up like this, touch this side, then we will wait for a little confirmation like double top, double bottom. Then we will look for short trade and at least target this lowest point here, and that is how we get in that guaranteed trade, because we are trading with the trend at this point now. You want to trade with the trend, not against the trend. So that is it. So now let me show you guys an example on the real chart and how it's played out perfectly. So based on what we already know now, first of all, we want to identify the trend. Now we can see that the market is already going down. We can see that the market is already going down already, and that is what we want. So we want to look for only sell trades. That brings us to rule number one now. What I want to see now is price to come up to this side, maybe to fall a little bit, I don't know, or then come up a little bit and then touch inside this trend line, and then we look for confirmations from this side, and then we take in our short trade, and then at least we should target this side, this place here, we should target this place, or maybe this side a little bit. We target this side as our take profit, then we run away with our little profit and go. Maybe we can be done for the day or so. So basically, if you play price forward, you'll see that yeah, we might feel a little bit left out around here. So but don't panic. If the setup is not meant for you, don't really panic. So we'll play price forward, and now we can see that price have come back to this point here, leaving us with a chart pattern double top. Now with this, we already have the reason to take in that sell trade aggressively. I did not say you should go full margin though, but you can take in your short trade from this point, and then your take profit should be around here, where the last 1 to 3 risk reward ratio like this, and then I play, and then we see how markets go. Yeah, look at this point here, it was very close to your stop loss. So but as long as you trust your strategy, allow it to do the game. So let's play price forward. And literally that was it. As you can see, this was a very nice, good trade, and we took in our take profit, and that is basically the strategy. So for summary reasons, let me explain this thing. First of all, you want to identify your trend, which is what we did here. Second, you want to look for double top or double bottom. If it is buy, then you take in your position from that place. Then from there, you take in your sell or buy trade, and that is simple. And the opposite goes for buy trade. If you want me to explain that one, drop it in the comment section asking me to explain that one, and I'll make another video. The same strategy but for a buy position. For this is a sell position. But if you want me to explain for buy position, drop it in the comment section. So that is all for today's video. I want to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I hope to see you guys soon.